Hello guys, and welcome to another video. And in this video I'll be showing you how to make easy and yummy crispy corn. So let's get into it. So first step, boil water till it bubbles. And do not forget to add some salt as per your taste. So once it's all bubbly, add some corn. I've used 4 cups of it. Once the corn is boiled, add 4 tablespoons of corn flour. Add more if you need it. You'll find out whether you need more once you see my consistency of it once I'm done mixing it. So now, heat up some oil and put a piece of corn to check whether the oil is hot. And as you see, mine is all hot. I'm going to put the rest of the corn into the oil. Now as you see, my corn is all crispy and golden brown, so it's time to remove it. Take a plate and put some tissue paper on top of it to absorb most of the oil from the corn. So carefully remove it. Going to fasten this a little bit. Now it looks wonderful, and you might see small clumps of corn flour, but it doesn't matter as it's going to be separated when we're mixing it. So now add half teaspoon of chaat masala. It's optional. And then 1 teaspoon of chili powder and salt as per taste. So once you're done putting all the ingredients into the bowl, mix the corn and ingredients nicely. Then add juice of half a lemon, some coriander. You can also use parsley if you want, but it ain't so flavorful as coriander is. Mix it all perfectly. And just like that, it is done. So if you guys enjoyed my video, then please subscribe to my channel. It'll really help me a lot, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.